Hey, what's up guys? So my ongoing Australian dollar New Zealand dollar trade took off, as you can see. So I took another trade here and we're going strong from there. So the first trade, or should I say the first two trades, were taken here. We have risk to reward 1 to 29, and then here we have risk to reward 1 to 21. So that's the third trade. That one took off. Why am I putting my take profit so high? Let's take a look. This is where my concern was. Let's go to 4 hour. So the seller here did create a new low, and this is where the strength of the money is as we follow the money. So therefore, if you see where the run started, which is here, take us all the way there. This is why we have pushed down, and then here around these levels as well, we also have a strong push down, as you can see here, but we created a higher low, so we didn't create a lower low. So therefore I decided to take the trade here. So up here the seller pushed it again, but then created another higher low, which is great. And now we're going up down to 1 hour. So we are going up, and now we have, again, at this point we're gonna have rejection, but they will probably be very minor. So then we will take off and break through there. Once we break through there, going down, going up to 4 hours, we will be free until this point, because this point, that's where I'm worried, because the money is showing me that there's a strong push down here, and then the new lower low is created. This here is just a blip, so you cannot say this is a lower low. So this is a lower low, which is clear as a day, and then this is a lower low, and this is a lower low. So this is how I look at the markets. I'll show you how it looks like on MetaTrader. But before I do, if you like these type of videos, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and share this video if you think it will help others, and also if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let me take you to MetaTrader. You can see what are we looking. So what happened here, let's go to 4 hours. So let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, so the initial trade was made around these levels. The stop loss was below here, so that's the initial trade. And then the trade was executed, we took off, and then I moved the stop loss, I think, around these levels here, and then we got this new trade where the stop loss was at these levels below here, and then I moved it here because now this becomes a new significant low. This was also new significant low. That one is also new significant low. So you may wonder why I didn't take this trade here to go up as well. Well, you see, these were sort of a blips, and this is something that I don't like. Let's mark it dark gray. So this is something that I don't like. I more prefer when the market is going up and then slowly rounding and coming back down. So this was like up and down and up and down, and I cannot account for that. So looking at this point, this is like a blip and then come back down, especially looking back in time, knowing that here we have a very strong seller here, so and around these levels here. So that's why we have this little noise here, and then strong seller here as well. So we don't know exactly where it's gonna be. We can only assume. It's all about probability, of course. So yeah, so now this higher low is also being confirmed. So once we break through these highs here, there will be my second confirmation to move my stop losses here, and therefore I wouldn't take any loss on this trade this trade, if it comes, this trade is definitely a winner, because we will take profits here. If we get stopped out, take a little bit of loss. If this one fails, what's it doing on, say, 5 minute? Yeah, you can see it's most likely gonna go down to, so where this run started, so probably going down to here, just quickly to figure, yeah, probably going down to here, because that's where this run started. So let me go back to trading view and show you what is going on a bigger time frame, such as daily. Yeah, or should we go to weekly? What is going on here? We are in a sideways range in between these two yellow lines. This, we had a strong buyer here, and then from that point on it's just doing nothing. What I would say this is, it's called transition. So transition is where you're actually going sideways, where the major trend is about to change. So if you look at here, I think that the market tried to break down a few times, and then it failed, and then it did one big push down, and the big money that actually made this strong run up is saying no, you're not going lower than this, because this is roughly where my stop losses are. And when it usually goes below the start of this big run, that tells me that whoever the buyer here is, those guys, they're going long term. They're holding for 5-10 years. So they say, like, look, let's just buy more at this low price and then push the market to go up. This way, have a strong spike up here. Then also, that's the second indicator that's telling me that this market is gonna go up to these levels. It's gonna go above here. So currently I'm in a doubt with my take profits. I put all my take profits here at these levels, and I'm thinking, which is already moved one up, that we are most likely to go all the way up to here before we take off further. What do you think, guys? Is it gonna keep going down and the bear market will continue, or is it gonna go up and break these points and keep going up and be bullish? Me being in Australia, I think Australian dollar is gonna go up. No, that's just a joke. No, but looking at this, I think it will definitely come back to this point. And as it retested this low here, it should definitely go up. But you know what? We are in the money game and we just want to take profits. And therefore, I want to take profits at these levels. I don't care where it goes. I am happy with my 1 to 29 and 1 to 22. Remember, here we have two trades. So if we make 1 to 60 here, and if we make 1 to 20 here, so there will be 1 to 80 of the winnings, which I think is really significant. Usually I risk about 1% of my account, so yeah, there will be 1 to 80. Please let me know what are your thoughts, and again, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Okay, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.